Alright guys, this is the final part of One Stormy Night. Now we're gonna see what happens here. Let's just do it. Oh shit. These guys sure are so fucking persistent, aren't they?
Bastards.
My thoughts exactly. Bastards.
They dare to come here.
Bastards. Fuck.
Gavin, you're a true friend, and I consider myself very lucky to have made a friend who risked his life for me. I would do the same.
You won't die for me if I can help it, May. It's him. Show no mercy.
What? Did he just commit suicide? You should have died. Well, it's snow. Hopefully this will be a battle to remember. Or not. Can you guys just swipe at each other, bite each other, do something? Do something. What the fuck? Reminds me of this one anime or one cartoon I saw. I don't know. Is it Barnyard or I don't know. The main character will be fighting against the whole army, and while he's distracted, the boss comes up from behind and like gets him like a little bitch. That's what it looked like at first. And suddenly an avalanche. What are you idiots doing? Run! Fucking run! Oh, now you guys decided to run when it's too late. It's already there. You would have gotten some distance if you would have ran.
Gabu.
Yeah, no, you could not possibly have heard that from where you are. Well, you could feel the avalanche. I'll give you that. Well. And then there was silence. One sunny morning. You gotta love that stock bird sound effects. It's the same thing I hear outside.
Gabu.
The fuck?
Gabu!
Now that's a better shout than what I've been hearing in this anime. / children's book.
Gabu, where did you go?
He's dead. Okay, but who was right there? Why didn't you idiots just get out and go? Why didn't you just pick him up and just go? What the freak?
Gabu! Hey, Gabu! The forest! We finally made it! We found our home! Gabu, come on! Where are you? Gabu! Gabu!
Oh goodness. About 15 minutes of this. And we're down to 10 more minutes. Oh. Oh look, Alvin and the Chipmunks are here too. Again. No, that's Bambi. That's Bambi.
It's already spring.
How's it already spring?
Has it been?
Has it been that many months already?
So why do I feel so cold? I made it through the winter, but... Gabu,
It's not really winter, you're just going through the mountain.
what happened to you?
The mountain is just covered in snow. As you go into the mountain, it should just start randomly snowing.
It's all my fault. He wouldn't have left if I hadn't told him to leave me. Why did I have to say that? We would have been here together.
Same walk animation. Same walking loop.
Grandma. Tapper. Mina.
Are you tired? Eat the grass.
At least you all have each other. What's the point of going on if I'm going to be alone?
Where's always all the other forest friends?
Wolf! There's a wolf! It's a wolf. There's a wolf in the meadow!
There's a wolf in the meadow!
Gabu, he must be alive.
Could be eating the grass on the way. Oh, and then again, where'd you get all that strength from?
Gabu,
Noises outside my window.
Gabu!
There's a black speck of dot.
What's this?
Gabu!
What's up with that face? No, stop! Don't play chicken! You're gonna crash! Oh, here it comes. Wait, what? What happened? What happened? What? How did he knock him out? What? 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 I'm sorry, what? What? Oh, the dreaded cave. Oh. What the freak is going on? What? I'm sorry, what?
Gabu, you're here! You're alive!
What a dick.
Gabu, what's going on? What is this place? Is this our new home or something?
You what? You can see that it's my den. Now shut up. I don't like talking with my dinner.
Dinner? What in the world are you talking about? It's not funny. Come on, Gabu. It's me, May.
Little goat, sit down and shut up. Whoever you're talking about,
Asshole.
I'm not him.
Gabu, is this some sort of joke or something? Or tell me, do you really not remember who I am?
Listen, do me a favor, little goat. Stop talking all this nonsense about me knowing you or you knowing me. I don't know who you are and I don't care. You know, I don't even care that I've forgotten my own name.
Oh boy, amnesia.
There is certainly one thing I do remember.
Well, what is it?
What the hell?
Goat meat is my absolute favorite.
What'd that rock do to you? Like, if you like the goat meat, then why the hell did you not eat him that instant?
It's been a long time since I've eaten a goat. I would have eaten you right away, but you're a special treat. I'm gonna enjoy eating you slowly under the full moon tonight.
What the
Please,
fuck?
Gabu.
Eat him now!
Remember that we were friends. Honestly, I
Who
wouldn't
gives
lie
a
to
fuck
you.
about the full moon?
Cut with the bull crap. All that I know is that you are a tasty morsel. There's no way that I'd be
Tasty
your
morsel
friend.
cliche.
I swear it's true. We went on picnics together.
Eh.
We were supposed to come here together too.
Eh.
Look, this face. Isn't it slightly familiar? Huh? Isn't it?
It's a troll face.
Gabu?
Shut up!
What the rock do to
Cut
you?
down, Pipsqueak. All I see before me is a pathetic little goat who is trying his best not to get eaten. You are going to die tonight, and nothing will change that.
Well, fuck. I don't like this new Gabu at all. Again, what were they doing? Were they just sitting there? It doesn't explain. They were just sitting there. Were they just sitting there? As it gets to sunset? In the same oh. Okay. Your eye infected or something? You got a freaking pink eye.
Back when we were friends, I wouldn't have minded being eaten by you. But now, the idea of being eaten by you is tearing me apart, Gabu.
So you're finally accepting your fate, little goat. I can hardly wait for the moonrise.
I don't want to die this way, Gabu. Not this way. If this is how our friendship ends, I wish you'd never saved me from the wolves, or the river, or when we crossed over the mountain. If this is how it ends, then I wish it never happened that we met one stormy night.
We met one stormy night.
Gabu, remember that was our secret code.
We met one stormy night?
Oh, really? Is this how amnesia works
You
nowadays?
say we met one stormy night?
And suddenly all the memories just comes rushing back to them just from that code? Really? Wow. Okay, so his memories are back just like that? I wish that's... amnesia works in strange, mysterious ways.
May. Where are we? I don't remember a thing after the avalanche.
Gabu, I've been waiting for you this whole time.
May!
Gabu,
The fuck was that? Okay. Was that it? Again, what were they doing? On the way into Nightfall, what were they doing? Hey, Gabu. Fuck already, damn!
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Jesus.
yeah, it really is.
I've been waiting so long to watch the moonrise with you, May.
Me too, Gabu,
Fuck.
but it was definitely worth the wait. Don't you think?
Yeah. This is the best one ever.
Gabu, we're finally able to be together, aren't we?
Yes, May. And we'll always be together. I promise.
So does that finally symbolize that they're together? Oh look, those assholes are still alive. Well, does that mean, are they running away back to home, or are they still oh, you see the ghost is still there. Does that mean that they're running away, or are they still after them? I don't know. Well, Well, that was One Stormy Night by whoever, whatever. I have to say, it was pretty interesting. I mean, it was a couple of stupid moments. I mean, as I said, I only watched bits and pieces of it in Japanese, and the English dub, it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad at all. I was starting to like it, but all the characters in here, how they made them, how they made their characters, the personalities, and everything like that, it make them like a whole bunch of common sense. I mean, it's like as I said, it's like an anime mixed with a children's book. That's how it is here. You know, keep it under there, even though it has, you know, vulgar language in it. It has some. Holy shit! A bird just almost hit my window. I don't know if I feel safe next to this window now. So the story pretty much kicks off with, you know, two enemies, you know, becoming friends. You know, I've seen all this stuff before. Enemies becoming friends, how they wish a world could live in peace and harmony with one another, like dragons and humans. You know, humans are the enemies of dragons. Dragons are the enemies of humans. You know, some people will wish for a world where they coexist with each other. You know, and all that. Like what was that one anime? I don't know. I don't know what I'm thinking of, where humans and monsters can live together in harmony. I don't know. I'm not sure if that's Future Car Buddy Fight. I'm not sure if it was something else. It was one show I've seen where humans and monsters can live together in harmony, and some people are against that. Like they want to like rip up a treaty or something. I don't know. Anyway, this is what this is about. It's about a never-ending friendship and how these two will push each other to the limits and see how far their friendship will go. Will it end just like this, or will it continue to keep growing stronger? And as I seen in some episodes of some animes or some TV shows or something, that if friends fight, which I've never seen in this, maybe this one tiny little instant, and when friends fight, it shows how much they really care for each other. In some cases. And if they think about it and they come back to it, it shows how stronger they are. Their bonds will get stronger, and we're stronger together. Even though there was like maybe one, as I said, one tiny slimmer of an argument there. And they continue to prove that they may be total opposites, but inside they're the same. There's pretty much a message to everybody here. You know, liberty, diversity, all that, equality, and all that. Like we're all human. We're all the same inside here. Some people may have some likes that are similar. Some people may have likes that are totally different. But that doesn't mean we should treat each other any different than anyone else. Unless they're dicks for no reason. Then thou shalt be judged by the man upstairs. So I will give One Stormy Night maybe a 7.5 out of 10. Because I like anime. This is definitely anime. A children's book. It teaches a valuable lesson. It teaches a valuable lesson in all of this. It portrays a deep meaning, a personal message. Like, treat people how you would want to be treated, and friends stay friends no matter what. No matter what kind of boldness happens. All the friends deep inside, even if you don't want to admit it. They have a scuttle here and there, but things will work out. Things will work out. So I'm giving this a 7.5 out of 10. Let's say there was a whole bunch of ridiculous moments and things didn't look right, and it actually portrays that the two of them should be together. I don't care about the gender or species or whatever. If they really like each other, I was kind of pushing it. I was kind of encouraging it. Just like, dude, just be mates already and just like be happy together. You know, even though I kind of read that May is considered genderless because in one part he's male, and it seems like in another part of a remake he's don't you turn off on me. Come on! No. Turn the screen back on! Turn it on! At one part, it showed in a certain one that we just seen that May is considered male, but in a remake, in a much more 3D-ish one. That's what I saw on Wikipedia. It showed that May is turned female. And it's kind of... okay. Okay, the computer wants to be like that. Jerk. That May is considered to be a female. So I kind of don't know why they did that. It was kind of weird. I mean, I like it as like this, you know, the bond between friends and all that. It was pretty cool. I don't know what I haven't seen the remake of it, and something tells me I don't want to. I mean, I might look at it off camera and might just say something about it, but that would be the day. I don't know. I'm already running on time as it is, giving it my full final thought about One Stormy Night, or in this case is, how did I pronounce this again? Arashi no Yoronin. I might have completely butchered that for anyone who is of Japan, or I'll just say Asia, because I'm one of those people who can't tell the difference between Chinese letters and Japanese letters, and I hope that doesn't sound really racist. I'm completely sorry. I like the art styles of all the Asian countries. I like it. I'm a fan of it. I just hope that doesn't sound completely racist. I'm sorry. I couldn't tell. It was probably Japanese. I don't know. So anyways, that's my reaction videos to One Stormy Night. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like what you saw, excuse me. If you like what you saw, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Give these videos thumbs up, hit the like button. Share to all your friends, families, neighbors, everybody. Follow me on Twitter, add me on Facebook, Google+, Twitch, Steam, everything. It's Master Guil. I'll see you guys next time.